Packing habits reveal the difference between casual tourists and seasoned travelers, and experience teaches one powerful lesson very quickly. In this video, 10 things expert travelers have eliminated from their suitcase. The spotlight is on items that once felt necessary but are now completely removed from modern travel packing lists. These are not random choices. They are deliberate decisions made after years of airport stress, overweight luggage fees, and unused items returning home untouched. Before diving into the details, take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for practical travel knowledge that saves time, money, and effort on every journey. Number 10. Full-size toiletry bottles. One of the earliest mistakes expert travelers eliminate is carrying full-size toiletry bottles, regardless of trip length. Large shampoo, conditioner, lotion, and body wash containers consume valuable suitcase space while contributing unnecessary weight. Over time, experienced travelers realize that most destinations already offer easy access to basic toiletries, whether through hotels, short-term rentals, supermarkets, or convenience stores. Even long trips rarely require full-size products when refillable travel containers can last weeks without issue. Another major reason these items disappear from expert packing lists is the risk factor. Full-size bottles are far more likely to leak during cabin pressure changes or rough handling by airport staff. One small crack in a cap can destroy an entire wardrobe. Eliminating oversized toiletries not only protects clothing, but also simplifies airport security checks and reduces cleanup stress during travel days. Number 9. Multiple pairs of shoes, packed just in case. Shoes are one of the heaviest and most space-consuming items in any suitcase, which is why expert travelers drastically reduce them. Beginners often pack 3 or 4 pairs, imagining different outfits or scenarios that rarely occur. In reality, most trips involve repetitive walking patterns, and travelers instinctively rely on one comfortable, familiar pair almost every day. Extra shoes frequently return home untouched. Experienced travelers instead choose footwear strategically. One reliable walking shoe that works across cities, airports, and long days becomes the foundation. A second lightweight option may be added only if it serves a clear, specific purpose. Removing unnecessary shoes instantly reduces luggage weight, increases clothing space, and makes packing and unpacking faster throughout the trip. Number 8. Clothing for unrealistic, what-if scenarios. Expert travelers stop packing outfits based on unlikely situations that never actually happen. Formal wear for events that are not confirmed, heavy jackets for destinations with mild weather, or multiple backup outfits for hypothetical emergencies often fill suitcases unnecessarily. These items create mental comfort during packing, but deliver zero value during the actual trip. With experience comes the understanding that most travel days are predictable. Weather forecasts are reliable, accommodations offer laundry access, and versatile clothing covers multiple situations. By eliminating hypothetical outfits, travelers reduce decision fatigue, streamline daily dressing, and avoid carrying items that never leave the suitcase. Number 7. Paper documents and printed reservations. Physical paperwork has largely vanished from expert travelers' packing habits. Printed hotel confirmations, flight itineraries, boarding passes, and attraction tickets add clutter while offering little advantage in a digital world. Smartphones now store confirmations, QR codes, offline maps, and emergency contacts securely and accessibly. Seasoned travelers rely on cloud backups, email confirmations, and offline downloads instead of folders filled with paper. This approach reduces clutter, prevents loss, and eliminates the stress of keeping documents dry and organized. Removing paper documents also speeds up airport movement and minimizes the risk of misplacing critical information during transit. Number 6. Heavy electronics that serve only one purpose. Single-function electronics are quietly disappearing from expert travelers' suitcases. Bulky cameras rarely leave their cases. Large laptops go unused on short trips, and separate devices for music, reading, or navigation are replaced by one multifunction smartphone. Over time, experienced travelers realize that carrying multiple electronics increases theft risk, charging complexity and weight without significantly improving the travel experience. By eliminating unnecessary gadgets, travelers reduce cable clutter, avoid power outlet competition, and simplify daily routines. Lighter bags move faster through airports, fit more easily in overhead bins, and reduce physical strain during long travel days. Convenience replaces excess, and efficiency becomes the priority. Number 5. Excessive jewelry and valuable accessories. Experienced travelers have learned that packing expensive jewelry creates more risk than reward. Watches, necklaces, rings, and designer accessories may look appealing during packing, but they quickly become a source of stress once the journey begins. Valuable items demand constant attention, whether moving through airports, navigating crowded streets, or staying in shared accommodations. This mental burden distracts from the travel experience itself. Expert travelers choose simplicity over status. Minimal, low-value accessories serve the same functional purpose without attracting unwanted attention. By eliminating expensive jewelry, travelers reduce theft risk, simplify security checks, and gain peace of mind. The freedom of moving without worry becomes far more valuable than any accessory left at home. Number 4. Overpacked clothing for every single day. Seasoned travelers stop packing outfits for every individual day of the trip. The assumption that fresh clothes are needed daily leads to overfilled suitcases and unnecessary weight. In reality, most destinations offer affordable laundry services, hotel washing facilities, or even simple hand-washing options. Clothes can be reworn and refreshed far more easily than most travelers expect. Experts prioritize versatile clothing that mixes and matches effortlessly. Neutral colors and lightweight fabrics allow fewer pieces to create multiple looks. Removing excess clothing improves mobility, speeds up packing, and reduces the physical strain of travel. Less clothing ultimately means more flexibility and comfort on the road. Number 3. Travel guides and heavy books. Printed guidebooks and thick novels are no longer staples in expert travelers' luggage. While books once felt essential for planning and entertainment, digital alternatives now provide greater convenience. Smartphones and tablets offer instant access to updated travel information, reviews, maps, and translations without adding physical weight. Experienced travelers understand that heavy books rarely justify their space. Digital reading allows thousands of pages to exist in one compact device, often usable offline. By eliminating physical books, travelers lighten their bags, avoid carrying outdated information, and gain immediate access to real-time travel updates wherever they go. Number 2. Emergency items for extremely rare situations. Packing for unlikely disasters is a habit expert travelers intentionally avoid. Excess medical supplies, duplicate tools, and bulky safety items often stem from fear rather than practicality. While basic essentials remain important, over-preparing for improbable scenarios fills suitcases with items that never get used. Seasoned travelers rely on local availability and global infrastructure. Pharmacies, clinics, and stores exist in most destinations, and emergency assistance is typically accessible. By eliminating rare-use items, travelers regain valuable space and avoid carrying unnecessary weight driven by worst-case thinking. Number 1. The just-in-case mindset itself. The single biggest thing expert travelers eliminate is the habit of packing out of fear. Overpacking is rarely about necessity and almost always about uncertainty. The desire to prepare for every possible situation leads to heavy bags, airport stress, and constant inconvenience. Experienced travelers replace fear with confidence gained through repetition and adaptability. Letting go of the just-in-case mindset transforms travel entirely. Lighter luggage moves faster, costs less, and creates freedom at every stage of the journey. Trusting problem-solving ability instead of overpacking allows travelers to focus on experiences rather than belongings. This shift in mindset is what truly separates experts from beginners. Smart packing is not about bringing more, but about bringing what actually matters. By removing these items, travel becomes lighter, simpler, and far more enjoyable. If this breakdown helped refine packing habits, take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for practical travel insights that make every journey smoother and smarter.